my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and YouTube, and you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. First product up is NYX Cosmetics Slim Lip Pencil. Lipliner. This color is Citrine. Size of this is 0.03 ounces and it costs around $5. Can be found at nyxcosmetics.com, Ulta Beauty, /Target, Walgreens, and a few colors can be found on Amazon. I do want to mention to you as well, they did change the packaging, and I believe I heard they changed some of the formulas in some of them, or maybe even all of them. I also heard that the new ones don't have a great of a formula as the old ones. They're not as creamy, and the colors are very different. So just a heads up on that. Expiration date is 36 months. Not bad. It is cruelty-free and of course clean or conscious beauty. This slim lip pencil is buttery soft and long-lasting lip liner. It is slim, trim, and filled to the brim. Not sure what the trim means, but filled to the brim with color. This slim lip pencil is a must-have. This formula is creamy and it should apply very easily. Also, it should not bleed. They do have colors like nudes or traffic stopping red. Yes, traffic stopping red. So red light, green light, yellow light. If you want red, go for the red light. Not go on red light. Don't do that. Say what? It pairs nicely with, of course, other lip favorites like lip gloss or lipstick. You can also use it by itself. That's okay. And of course, they mostly want you to use just NYX Cosmetics, but you could pair it up with any other brand. Made with jojoba oil, shea butter, and coconut oil. Okay, so we're going to put this baby on. Now, of course, you want to sharpen your pencil. And if you want to clean it up with a little bit of some alcohol, that's fine as well. 70% or 75%, whatever one you have. That's okay. You could do that too. I usually like to spray that after I sharpen it. Now, right now, I don't have the greatest sharpener in the world, but I'm going to make do with what I have. There's one on Instagram that I want to buy. It looks really cool. It's like a regular, it looks like a regular pencil sharpener, but it's specifically made for lip liners or eyeliners or brow pencils. Made for makeup. Okay, I'm going to start at the outer part. Directions do say start in the middle, the center, then go out. My lips still, at least the bottom ones I could do that, starting at the center and then going out. The top ones, they're a little uneven and it's easier for me to start outer to in. Okay, I'm going to go in all corners, and there we go. The other side, I'm going to use the other color, just so you could compare. Now let's get to the other side. Okay, we're going to move on to Nabi Long Lip Liner Pencil. This color is Pink Pearl. It's very long. Size of this is 0.08 ounces and costs around 99 cents. You can purchase it at nabicosmetics.myshopify.com or on eBay. Mine was purchased on Amazon. I used to purchase it at the makeup store called Nabi. That's where I used to find it. They're moving things around right now because they opened up a new store, but then they reopened up the old store. So I didn't really ask them if they had these in stock. It didn't look like it. But I found them on Amazon and there was a pretty good deal. You do have to be careful on Amazon. I do hear some stories that some people had with these pencils. I haven't had any issues with them. I also heard stories where people didn't have problems with these. Even the ones I bought in store at Nabi's, I never had issues with them. This is the first time I am buying them on Amazon though. They seem fine to me. I do spray them with alcohol though. Again, make sure they're nice and clean. It is a third party that it is being sold through, not Amazon themselves and not Nabi themselves. So just be aware of that. Oh, and also be aware that you might get the 7.5 inches, or they said you might get 5 inches. It's going to be whatever's in stock,
according to the seller.
So it's a pretty good deal on Amazon. I got like 54 pencils for just $27, maybe $28. Not bad. I really needed all those lip pencils. If you do a lot of makeup, then it's a pretty good purchase. But if you don't do that much makeup, 54 pencils is kind of a lot. For me, I need like every single color, every different kind of pink, every different kind of red. But I'm always doing different makeup looks. Now, as for expiration dates, don't see one here. Yeah, I got nothing. So again, just be aware of that.
Oh no!
They are a cruelty-free cosmetic brand though. They do not test any of their products on the animals, so that's pretty good. A long-wearing lip liner pencil with many colors. Now before I get into the description, just want to give you a heads up with their description. So on their main website, they don't have anything describing it. So I went to the Amazon one, and their description is very similar to the NYX Cosmetics description. It even says slim lip pencil. So I think they may have copied and pasted. But it's pretty much the same. So just be aware of that. I could be wrong. Having colors from auburn to orange to red, lines and defines your lips. A buttery soft long wearing lip pencil should go on easy, and of course it should resist any bleeding. Glide it on for an instant plump to your pout. And again, you could use it with any lipsticks, any lip glosses of your choice, or go with Nabi. It has microcrystalline wax, mica, phenoxyethanol, and titanium dioxide. Okay, I'm just going to do the other side now. This is definitely a different color, just a heads up. They are not dupes of each other. It's going to be like more of a Barbie princess pink. Again, make sure you clean it up, sharpen it, la-di-da. This one's sparkly. Okay, I'm going to add some gloss to it now. Make my lips pouty and glossy. Also, don't forget to prep your lips. For me, I used a little bit of chapstick beforehand. Then you want to clean that chapstick off too before you add the liner and the lipstick. There we go. Looking lovely. Okay, now we're going to go and check out the results. Yeah. Okay, so this one is for TikTok. Here we go. Do 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 do. Boom! 50-50. Woohoo! 50-50. Yeah, 50-50. Nice. All right, let's check out YouTube results. YouTube. And the winner is boom, NYX Cosmetics 100%. So NYX took over. Yeah, NYX basically took over. It was 50-50. They both won the first one, and NYX now took over the ring. Woohoo! Congratulations, NYX. I like the color. I like how it adds dimension to the gloss. The shading in of the lips, the corners, very nice. If you want to also draw a line down the middle, or there's different ways that you could do your lips, draw lines on the top, many different ways. Your choice, any way you do it is up to you. Now let me know in the comments below if you did enjoy the fact that NYX Cosmetics won and basically took over, or if you are still a fan of Nabi, maybe. Actually, let me know if you have used this brand. For me, I would say it was very popular with all of us who were just starting out with makeup because of how cheap they were to buy in store than purchasing something like this for $5. And when you start out, you want to save as much money as you can. So these deals are pretty good. But of course, you cannot go wrong with NYX Cosmetics. They're fantastic. Again, just remember, they did change formula and packaging of them. So let me know in the comments below if you tried the newer ones and you're a fan of the newer ones, or if you're not a fan of the newer ones and you wish they kept the old formula to them. Yes, let me know. Comment below. And I will feature you in next week's video. Woohoo! Comment below. I will feature you later. That's all. Okay, everybody. That's pretty much it. I will see you guys next week. Keep on loving that makeup. Keep on rocking. And thank you to those who joined me on my live streams. It was quite fun. I'm definitely going to do those even more in the future. I'm going to try to keep doing them on Fridays. I will probably be doing hair this Friday on my live stream. Maybe I'll alternate, like do hair one week, then the next week just sit down, talk to you guys. You guys could just ask me anything. It's okay, I will answer them. Yeah, we'll see. Also, can't forget, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell notification so you know when these videos will be posted. Okay, bye.